1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Díomh fastí inniu Thomas Janu an gníomh bí fíor nó bréagach bunaithe an scéal cluiche ríomhaire leis na blianta. So the story that we were listening to on Friday, we're completing an activity true or false based on computer games through the ages. So bé muid ag deanú iver a hain go iver a seart agus bé muid ag scríomh an freigar ceart don gach ceist nó gach aibert. So it'll coupler scríomh iver a hain agus cur fíor nó bréagach in aice leis agus tá tú ag deanú an rud céine don gach aibert eile. So aibert a hain, sentence 1 is bhí a lán cluichí ríomhaire an nuair a bhí mamó agus dadú óg. So there's a lot of computer games when Granda or Granny and Grandad were young. Is that fíor nó bréagach? So all you have to do is write number 1 and write fíor nó bréagach. So an freigar ceart. And then ever a dá is bhí pong cosúil le cluiche pell. So pong was similar to a football game. Is that fíor nó bréagach? Ever a 3. Hatchin Space Invaders go mór le mammy nuair a bhí si óg. So mum greatly enjoyed Space Invaders when she was young. Is that fíor nó bréagach? Ever a 4. Hannig Pac-Man amach a míle Shaska is a dá. So Pac-Man came out in 1962. Is that fíor nó bréagach? Ever a cuaig, níl a lán cluichí ríomhaire difriúla on inniu. So is that fíor nó bréagach? So there's not a lot of different computer games about today. Is that fíor nó bréagach? Ever a sé, inniu, imrí an pastí cluichí ríomhaire lína. So today, children play computer games online. Is that fíor nó bréagach? Agus ever a seart, to Minecraft cosúil le cluiche Lego. So Minecraft is similar to a game of Lego. Is that fíor nó bréagach? So start the coupler, scríomh ever a hain, agus scríomh an freigar fíor nó bréagach in aice leis an ever. So all you have to do is write number 1 and then write the answer beside it. So you do not have to write the sentence, all you have to do is write the answer beside the number.